Welcome to the journey of transformation. Are you ready to revolutionize your body and boost your energy levels? In just the next 21 days, embark on a revitalizing path towards a lighter, more energetic you with our specially curated Smoothie Diet program. Start by imagining this: waking up every day with boundless energy, feeling lighter and more vibrant than ever before. With our deliciously nutritious natural smoothies, you can make this vision a reality. Here's how the Smoothie Diet will change your life. 1. Banish bloating. Feel a new sense of lightness. Our smoothies curb bloating and offer a refreshing start to your day. 2. Elevate your energy. Packed with vitamins and minerals, these smoothies fuel your day with sustainable energy and power. 3. Optimize your digestion. Say hello to better digestion. With a balanced blend of natural ingredients, your digestive health will flourish. Our 3-week program includes a detox plan to kickstart your journey, comprehensive guides and intuitive shopping lists, easy-to-follow recipes tailored to maximize your results. But that's not all. Our program, beloved by countless users, comes with a flexible continuation plan beyond the initial 21 days for ongoing health benefits. The entire program is a digital experience, so you can get started right away. Ready for a new you? Click the link to start transforming your body. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and wellness guides. Bonus: get peace of mind with our 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the results, we've got you covered. Join thousands in this life-changing transformation. Let's smoothie your way to health and happiness. Subscribe now.